G'day, g'day, and welcome to Battree's new video series, Cooking with Oil. Now, step one, you're going to want to have yourself some nice tasty oil. While that takes effect, I'm going to clean up my kitchen a bit. I'll check back in with you. Alrighty guys, just checking back in. I've cleaned up most of my kitchen here. And I think the oil's starting to take a bit of an effect. Sometimes you may want to boost it up, and I can show you how to do that right here. Alright, now that that's taken effect, let's start cooking. Tonight we're going to make a chicken katsudon curry. So step one here guys, you want to get all your ingredients out, put them out on the bench here and have a look at them. Yeah, they're nice and pretty, aren't they? When you're cooking with oil, you don't want to be making complicated foods guys. Now this is a step-by-step video, but counting can be a bit hard when you're on oils. So you're going to want to unaddress all of your vegetables. Alrighty, so by this point, he's all nice and prepared. You've been working hard, my friend. I'm going to let you pause this video, get yourself a little reward. I'll do it too. Oh. So, what's next? Oh yeah, we're making a curry. So we've got our oil going on in the pan here. We'll bang some onion in here. Enjoy the sizzle, ASMR. Alright, once the onions are nice and soft, we'll start throwing in all the veggies here. I don't know about you guys, I'm a bit parched. So you're going to want to get yourself some water here guys. It says about 500 and something mils, but the maths is hard. So we just got ourselves a cup and we're just going to pour some water in there. That should do us. All you're going to do now guys is you're going to bung the lid on that, let these veggies get to the boil and cook them through. While that's happening, probably going to want to get yourselves a nice little a reward while you're waiting. Oh, we nearly forgot something. So about now you're going to want to grab your chicken schnitzels, throw them in the air fryer for like, I don't know, 15 minutes, 180. Alright, we've been 15 minutes here guys. Let's check on that piece of chicken. Oh my goodness. That doesn't look too half bad, eh? Yes. I'm gonna give that just another minute, just because it is thick. Have a little squeeze how these are going while we're here, guys. We need to keep this going until those potatoes are soft. They are not soft at all. Alright, so we got our veggies all boiled up here. Next part is super simple, guys. Just gonna grab our curry stuff. Look at that. Yep. That will do the job. You want to get that all nice and dissolved all through. So once you got that all nice and mixed through, guys, just go ahead and simmer it for another 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
Start off, you just throw a little bit of rice in a bowl like so. I'll throw our chicken schnitzel on the side there like this. And you're just going to want to throw some of your curry onto it. And there we have Battree's cooking on oil. Make sure you like, follow for more content. Comment below, let me know what you want to see me cook next.